All we wanted was a phone that was different from Redmi 5 Plus, and finally we have it here. The Redmi Note 5 Pro launched globally here in India, and it comes with all those things that we wanted in the successor of Redmi Note 4. It comes with 18:9 display on the front, dual cameras at the rear, and a processor that is different from 625. But does that mean it's a perfect phone? Well, as you all know, nothing is. So in this video, I'll share my initial impressions on the Redmi Note 5 Pro after using it for more than 72 hours. My name is Saurabh Nahar, you're watching All About Technologies. Let's begin. Let's start with design and build. Well yes, the camera module does look like it's taken out from iPhone 10, but honestly, I don't care. This device looks good both from the front and rear, and overall it feels great to hold thanks to its slightly curved design and reduced thickness compared to Redmi Note 4. Also, there is some heft to it, which is awesome. Moving on to the display, we all wanted an 18:9 display and we have it here. This time it's a big 5.99-inch display, but it's not making the device all that tall and wide, which means the form factor is more or less the same, but we get a bigger screen. The screen here is good with nice viewing angles. Also, this time it gets a Gorilla Glass protection, which is awesome. Talking about the output from the speaker, it gets loud, so no complaints. Although output on earphones is low for now, so I just hope that they fix this soon. Also, I wish it had DAC like Mi A1, but anyways. Now talking about performance, finally Xiaomi has moved from 625 to 636, and that's good because 636 has got 8 Cryo cores clocked at 1.8 GHz and comes with Adreno 509 GPU. Also, it's still a 14nm chipset, which means battery life should be great. And in my initial testing, I was easily getting around 7 hours of screen on time, which is amazing in my opinion. Now this device is available in two variants, 4GB and 6GB RAM. And to me, 4GB RAM variant makes more sense as it offers more value for money. Well, you can go with the 6GB RAM variant if you want, but you won't get anything extra apart from those 2 gigs of RAM even after paying 3000 rupees extra. So it's up to you. Talking about performance, I played heavy games and all of them were working perfectly fine without any lags or any heating issues even after playing for 20 minutes. So I don't think you will face any issues with gaming on this device. On the software side of things, it's still running on Android Nougat. I know 2018, but still Nougat. But yeah, Oreo update might come by maybe year end, who knows, it is Xiaomi. But as you know, MIUI is a fully loaded UI, you get tons of features with it. Also, face unlock feature is coming soon, so most of the features will be there on this UI. Now in my initial testing, I did notice few bugs and issues, but typical Xiaomi fashion, it will get fixed in next few updates. Now Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with dual rear cameras, of which one is a 12MP camera with f2.2 aperture and another one is a 5MP f2.2 aperture camera, which is a depth sensor basically. The rear camera does a good job in most situations and it can now click portrait images like Mi A1. The portrait images impressed me with the edge detection and detail level. The front camera is also amazing as it's a 20MP f2.2 camera and it comes with a dedicated front flash, so images come out good in almost all situations. And not to forget, there is a portrait mode for the front camera too, which works well for the most part. So overall, in pictures department, cameras impressed me. But when it comes to video, sadly it can only shoot in 1080p at 30 FPS and the video quality is just average. So I just hope Xiaomi will fix this and it will also bring 4K video recording in near future. So guys, there you have it. These are my initial impressions on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I will come up with a lot more videos on this device, like a speed test comparison, camera comparison, a dedicated camera review and a full review after using this device for a couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that. If you're new here, click that red subscribe button, click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I publish those videos. And make sure you give this video a like if you liked this video and if you liked my work. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media networks. Links will be there in the description box. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram because I'm very active on those two platforms. And if you have any questions, you can ask me over there and you can stay updated on videos and a lot more things. Also, if you are buying this device, links will be there in the description box. Use my link, that will definitely help out the channel. That's it guys, this is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.